Vega.
Trico!
Vega.
Side by side, it's Pichu and Pichu.
Well, we're ready to party. Give 'em! Give 'em! Give 'em! Hey! You dopey bonehead, ya! Oh, die! Wait, it isn't your fault, pal. No harm done. There's no reason to get all blue, little buddy. I'll get those other clowns to clean this up. Don't you worry. Wah, wah, wah. Give 'em! Give 'em! All right, let's get this place ready to party. Squirtle. 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 Squirt. Squirtle. Squirt. Squirtle. Squirt. We don't got much time. Hurry! Oh, they're scarier than Pikachu.
Magby. Daddy. Magby. Smooch, I'm smooch. Smooch, 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 I'm smooch, I'm smooch, I'm smooch.
Smoochum says this Oddish is sad because its invitation to Meowth's big party blew away.
Doop, doop. Oddish. Doop, doop, doop. Doop, 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 doop. Oddish. Oddish. Oddish, oddish, oddish. Daddy.
Well, this is a nice surprise. Meowth sent invitations to everybody. Azumarill just forgot to deliver them. It's a Magby-powered hot air balloon. This should do the trick.
Well, guys, the night I dreamed of's finally here. Squirt.
For a while, it looked like they'd never make it. But the Pichu Posse is in the house.
It looks like everybody's here. We better go check our instruments one more time and get warmed up for the big show.
Squirtle, squirtle, squirtle.
Could I have your attention, please? First of all, thank you for coming. And second of all, it is now time for the main event of the evening. The premiere performance of my new band, Meowth's Music Attack. So kindly make your way through the big doors and we'll start the show. So it looks like you're all ready to see the show. Hey, come on, we gotta get moving too. About that.
Maggie!
Switch 스무참, 스무참.
베이가